This is overseas reporter Army Corporal John Cal. Today we're over at Massawa Air Base where we're going to speak to Airman First Class Darwin Lee. First of all, Airman Lee, could you tell us how long you've been in the Air Force?
Well, about 27 months now, to be exact.
And where's your hometown?
Hardin, Kentucky.
In Kentucky, huh? First of all, we understand you have a very interesting job over here at Massawa Air Base. Could you tell us a little bit about it?
Yes, I'm in charge of B Company here at Security Guard and also the Canine Sentry Dog.
We're kind of interested in these dogs, mainly. First of all, who trains them?
Well, actually, the Japanese hammers train them themselves, but I more or less see that they get the job done.
More or less in a supervisory capacity, huh? Right. And did you have to go to school for this?
Yes, I went 3 weeks at Showa Air Force Base. That's down there at Tachikawa. I went during the month of April for 3 weeks there, supervising work.
Now, getting back to this dog work, what is the mission of this outfit? The training of the dogs and everything. Why do you do it?
Well, it's primarily security. We put them through during the summer months about an hour's training daily, but during this kind of weather, naturally, we can't. So I'd say primarily the training and everything is for security.
Do you have any special tests you put them through, like any kind of courses or anything?
Yes, we have the obstacle course and also attack training, basic obedience, advanced obedience, and other kind of training like that.
And you use them right directly as security, huh?
That's right, yes.
How about your other job here, this armed guard? I understand you're in charge of that, too.
Yes, well, I'm just more or less supervise that just like I do the sentry dog. We have it chain of commands basis, more or less like any other military organization. And we have a captain that's in charge of the whole company, and then a lieutenant in charge of each platoon. And I just more or less serve as sort of like a sergeant of guard back in the States.
And you supervise the whole thing, huh?
Yes, that's right.
Well, that's very interesting. Getting back to the dogs once again, where do they come from, incidentally?
Well, all of them come from out here in Japan. They're trained by different people in different cities all over Japan by Japanese personnel. And then they're taken down to Showa, like I was telling you before, and they're put through 8 weeks of training there. And then the center notifies each organization, and they send over how many GIs they want down there, and they train them for 3 weeks.
Do you enjoy your work here? I imagine it's very interesting to you as individually.
Yes, I like it very good. That's more or less my sort of work, and I really like that kind of work.
Well, that's fine. I want to thank you very much, Airman First Class Darwin Lee, for being with us today. Now, this is overseas reporter Army Corporal John Cal, returning you to our studios.